Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free drag and drop file copying or moving software for Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Droppoint by Camcodes3, and first is you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here releases. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you will see here tons of files. So you can see here some files are for Mac computers. As you can see, this is for the Mac computer with the Apple Silicon processor. So you can see with .dmg is for the Mac computers. As you can see, mac.zip is also for the Mac computer. And if you are using a Windows, then you can download this win.zip. And if you're using a Linux, then you can download this app image, or you can get this .deb also for Linux, and .exe is for Windows, and .rpm is also for Linux, and .gz is also for Linux, and .dmg is for Mac OS. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna download for the Windows version. So I'm gonna download this win.zip. You can download .exe also if you're using a Windows computer. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here one file named Droppoint. Just double click on it. So now you can see the user interface of this application, right? So it's a very straightforward application. So you can see here clearly mentioned drop your files here. So right now you can see I have tons of files on my desktop home screen. So just to give you an example, say let me just try to select all this and just drag it here. And you can see now you can drag your files out. It's already mentioning. So let me show you how you can do it. Now say I want to drag this file on here. So what I will do, just click on this file and just drag it. Now you can see. So in my opinion, it's best free drag and drop file copying or moving software for Windows, Mac and Linux computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.